The success of your business depends on a strong foundation. But what about the roof overhead? At New Jersey Roofing Company, we understand that a dependable roof is vital for the smooth operation of your commercial or industrial property. For over 30 years, we have specialized in providing a comprehensive range of roofing and related services for a wide variety of structures. Here's how we can help. Roof coating systems extend the life of your existing roof with a durable and cost-effective roof coating system. Roof replacement will replace your roof with high-quality materials and ensure minimal disruption to your business operations. Roof repairs, we quickly address any roofing issue, no matter how big or small. Roof inspections, regular detailed inspections are crucial for preventing costly repairs down the road. We'll provide a detailed report of your roof's condition and recommend any necessary maintenance. Don't let roof problems put your business at risk. Contact NJ Roofing Company today for a free consultation. We'll recommend the best solution for your property. New Jersey Roofing Company. Since 1990, we've greatly expanded our services and brands to meet all of your exterior property needs.